Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send voice notes on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to send voice notes on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to send voice notes on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to send voice notes on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending voice notes on WhatsApp is quite simple. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now select a chat you want to send a voice note. Now you are seeing mic option at the bottom right corner. Simply swipe it to up. Now you can ask and say anything you want to send to other person. After completing your voice, click on send. Your voice note sent to other person. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send voice notes on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.